really good.
Yeah.
What are we gonna try and do today though?
Fix my exhaust, as you can hear. It's pretty cocked. We're just gonna have a look. I think it's at where the header goes onto the exhaust that's snapped. So
Let's put your wing on today too.
yeah, I might slap my wingy on.
Let's do it.
Alright. Maybe.
I don't know. I think yours. I need to go lower in the back.
Yes.
Why is your shit so fucking low anyways, man?
Because it's cool. It sucks, but it's cool. See, the problem was, it was all good until I tried to go into a parking lot yesterday. That's how it snapped.
The quarter of my hat.
Fuck, man. Oh my god.
This is sick, dude.
Dude.
Drugs.
Scope this. Here, you don't film it, I'll give you this clip. That's the header. The header snapped clean in half. Holy fuck. Well.
Holy shit, man.
I guess we're not fixing that. How's the hair look? Is it clean?
Really good.
Sick.
But anyway, I guess we're not fixing that.
Where's the exhaust tape? And cement.
Need some fucking gaffer tape on it, bruv. Well, holy cock, Cube, sponsor us with a fucking repair kit.
Well, that's not ideal. Let's put the wing on then.
Motherfucker. You have a fucking hat back, dude.
Drugs.
Truck stuff, butt stuff.
Motor.
You already know I'm fucking cruising the truck stop gas stations. Alright, let's put the wing on because that is absolutely depressing. I'm sad now. Alright, let's put the wing on.
Can I lower it?
Yeah, I guess. Wingu. Bomix Wingu. From Japan. We'll slap this puppy on. It'll make up for the missing exhaust.
A dab will do ya.
A dabble fucking baby. Can I use some of that on my window actually?
Yeah.
My passenger side window's always like greased up.
Thank you.
Why? I don't know. Invisible glass. Very rare. This is left hand drive.
How to clean your car 101.
Let's put it at the table.
Type it.
A dabble fucking
Fire it on, Ben. Fuck him.
No, shut it.
Do it.
Do you want me to tape it?
Do it.
I want to tape
Do it.
it.
Fuck him.
Oh.
No.
You already pulled it out, you have
I've
to.
already-
Tape it. No, I want to tape it.
Too bad.
Alright,
Snooze,
well, I
you
guess I'm not
lose.
taking it.
Nice and straight.
Really good.
Sorry. A little bit wonky, is it? A little bit wonky, yeah. Where are the snips?
Far to the sides it is. Okay. Have to line up
The battery says exhausted for some reason, but I think I hope it doesn't die. Quick! Before it dies.
So are you putting like the end of it right at the very end of the trunk? Do you already put yours down?
No.
Mine's like.
No, can you look at the spacing here from
Well, it kind of like sits like.
Well, it sits like, it kind of hangs over.
No, you want it to
Like
sit
Like it sits
flush.
like right at the edge,
Okay.
Does Ben need to come back at all now? And then look at mine.
Yeah, come back a little bit, Ben. Yeah, I think that's good.
Can you look up the side-to-side spacing on the edge of the trunk?
I think you're pretty even.
Okay, let's just put it down over.
I think it's fine anyways.
That's not
part, no?
Oh, that corner's not done.
I don't think it does.
No, this corner won't stay.
Do you want to try
Just
to
focus
push
on
it
back there.
It like lifts it back there. If I do it. Nice.
Okay, then it's on.
If this thing flies off on the highway, I'm gonna be slightly bummed.
I don't think it will.
Ben, can you push down here and I'll push down back here?
Looks mint. Much better.
Now
Well,
start
we
it up.
traded an exhaust for,
Yeah, now start it up. We took the exhaust off camera.
because my header snapped, as you saw.
We'll show you the. Yeah, they would have seen that. What have we done? The wood like caught the fucking bumper and the fender like. Yeah.
How did that happen?
Well, I think some of the sound must have still been going into the exhaust.
Do you regret doing that?
Horrendous. The wing looks kind of cool. But still
The wing looks sick.
Wait, did it damage anything with the wood?
No, it just flexed and bounced back. I put that wood there too. That was perfect.
Looks so much better with a wing on it. Holy.
Looks a bit loud.
Adam, now we can tandem. We both don't have an exhaust.
Yeah, but you have a turbo. We fire it down.
It's a little bit of a.
Oh, fuck. Fuck me in the ass.
What are you doing?
Fucking rearranging. I'm organizing.
Well, that
Decorating.
sucks.
Fuck. 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 Fuck.
Can you close the trunk then?
Hopefully it's not overly depressing. Fuck off. What's happened?
No, I dropped and it aggressively closed.
It's jammy.
Tested it.
Holy shit.
No. Why is it so loud as that? I really thought it'd be the same sound as with the header snapped in half.
Is it noticeably louder than before?
Ben, stand out here and listen to it. I don't know where the key is, but
I think it's in the car still.
Give it a chooch, Adam.
no.
You scared?
It's pretty bad. That's not good.
The wing looks sick.
Yeah, the wing looks good.
My exhaust broke. And it sounds like fuck. And it makes me sad.
At least the wing looks cool.
It's your fault. But anyway, look at these wheels. Tickles the pickle a little bit, makes me feel a bit better.
Pickle?
I like pickles. Demonetized.
Outro.
Anyway, so yeah, that's the video. I guess we're gonna do a video. So I could buy a new KA single cam header for like 300 bucks, or I could SR swap for about 10 times that. So that seems like the better option, obviously. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll see what Uncle Joel's doing. Tag Uncle Joel below. Tell him to do the deal. Do the deal, Uncle Joel. Do the deal. Anyway, so yeah, hopefully he does the deal. Say, do the deal, Uncle Joel, in the comments. go over to the Instagram at Platform Garage and
Comment, do the deal.
yeah, comment, do the deal on some of his posts. Don't DM him that because he already gets enough DMs. He's a very busy guy. But comment on his post, do the deal. And yeah, so we're working away on the Garage Noshi drop, you know. Photographed everything that is not a wheel today. And so soon we'll photograph all the wheels and then we'll have it all up on the site for you guys to buy. But anyway, again, we're back with the shorter videos. So comment, like, and subscribe for more content, and stay tuned because we're uploading every once a half a week.
Yeah.
Once every half week, right, Ben?
That sounds right.
The boys will try to hit a million K up on their YouTube. The best content.